A dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. Have you seen domes, beta? गुम्बद जिसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में. कुछ तो अगर आपकी building है इस
Yes, ma'am.
type से, this kind of design at the top is known as dome. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the shape of a dome?
Sphere.
Very good.
Sphere.
It means the shape of a dome is always hemisphere, right? Is in the form of a hemisphere. From inside, it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.96. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meter, rupees 2 per square meter. What do you understand by this, children? What do you understand by this?
And for 1 meter square, it costs rupees 2.
Yes, for 1 meter square, it costs rupees 2. Suppose you are paying rupees 100 in all. Can you tell me how many meters square of the area you have painted?
50.
150.
Very good. Very good. Rupees 2 for 1 meter square. In all, you have paid rupees 100. So that means how many meter square area you have got painted?
50.
How did you do that?
50.
I'm dividing by 2. Divided by
Yes, divided by 2. So we will get to know how much area we have got whitewashed.
Yes, ma'am.
So here in the question also, we have to find the inside surface area of the dome. Now inside surface area of the dome will be total cost divided by cost per meter square. Can we do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And second part is volume of the air inside the dome. Volume of the air inside the dome means we have to find volume of what?
Volume of the dome.
Volume of
the dome, which is hemispherical in shape. And what is the volume of hemisphere?
2 by 3 pi r cube.
2 by 3 pi r cube.
2 by 3 pi r cube.
That means what is needed? Which variable is needed?
Radius.
Radius. Right?
Radius.
And from where we will calculate radius?
Surface area.
Surface area.
So is this question similar to question 7? There we were dealing with sphere, and here we are dealing with hemisphere, but the steps will remain same. Shall we begin the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Part 1. पहले हम radius define कर देते हैं. Let radius r question mark, because we do not know what the radius is. Yes, children? Next part. Next thing is finding its area. CSA of dome is given by total cost, that is rupees का latest symbol बनाइएगा, not RS. The book is printed very long time back. So 498.96 divided by rupees 2 per meter square. Now this per meter square will go in the numerator and rupees will get cancelled. So when you divide by 2, what will you get? 249.48 meters square. So this is your curved surface area. Okay? Clear, children? As
Yes, ma'am.
is CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square.
Yes.
So this gives me that 2 pi r square is 249.48. I am equating these two. Yes, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us put the value. 2 into 22 by 7 into r square. Let me remove the decimal from here. After decimal 2 places. So this
Upon
will be
100.
100. And now this gives me r square is 24948 into 7 divided by 100, and this 2 and 22 will also be here in the denominator. Ji beta. Now children, just keep one thing in mind. It will help you always. It is r square. It is r square. That means we would like to have square of something over here.
Yes, ma'am.
आप ध्यान देंगे अगर बेटा, so is 100 already a square of a number?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Square of
ma'am.
which number?
10.
10.
When you are getting a square, don't touch it further. इसको ऐसे ही रहने दीजिए. You cancel 2 and this. से cancellation शुरू कीजिए.
12474.
So this is 2 ones are, and this will be 1, 2, 4, 7, 4.
On video scores.
जी बेटा.
Mom, you're not audible.
11 5s are 73. 6 are, what will be there? What are you getting?
5.
What are you getting? 560.
7. 567.
11 से आपने डिवाइड किया, 11 ones are, and then 567. अभी देखो मामला थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. So you have r square is equal to 567 into 7 upon में 100. Now please pause here and understand what I'm going to tell you. बेटा 7 already है हमारे पास और मुझे r square चाहिए. R square means यहाँ पे everything should be 2 times. Everything should be in pair. So definitely this will be divisible by 7. So you divide 567 by 7 to see what do you get. Are you getting my point? I want things in pair here.
Yes.
So 7 is alone. तो मुझे 7 का pair इसमें से कहीं मिलेगा. So if we divide 567 by 7, what do we get?
81.
81.
81.
81.
Go up. 81. And what is 81? 81 किसका square है?
9.
9.
9 का. So r square is this 567 को I will write as 9 into 9 into 7. And this 1 7 was already there, ये वाला. Upon में 10 into 10. Children, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So this will be written as 9 into 7 upon 10 whole square.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. 9 into 7 whole square. So this gives me that r square is 63 upon 10 whole square. That is, r is 63 upon 10,
6.3.
which is 0.3. So therefore, radius is 6.3 meter.